Hello again, this is Fred from quickhacks.com, and in today's video tutorial, I will be talking about how to configure SSH for your EC2 instance on Amazon Web Services. Now, before we get started, you sure might be asking yourself what SSH is. So, SSH, or Secure Shell, according to Google, is a network communication protocol that enables two computers to communicate, or we can say it is a remote administration protocol that allows users to control and modify their remote servers over the internet using their local computers. Before I proceed to talking about how to configure SSH for your EC2 instance on Amazon Web Services, I recommend you watch my previous video on how to install WordPress on Amazon Web Services. And please remember to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Now, there are many SSH clients out there which we can use. However, I recommend Putty, which is spelled P-U-T-T-Y. Let us go ahead and search from Google by inputting Putty download. Let us click on download Putty under putty.org. From the Putty download page, click on the here link. Next, you can download Putty here. Now, select your operating system type and the version. In my case, Windows and 64-bit. We'll wait as it downloads, after which we can click on the downloaded application to install. Click on the downloaded application and install. This is going to install both the Putty SSH client and Putty generator. After the installation is done, we go to our Windows Start menu and look for Putty Generator, or Putty Gen in short. Let's click on it. Now, one of the few things we need in accessing our instance via SSH is a private key. So let's go ahead and convert the key pair we downloaded earlier, also installed in our WordPress website, by clicking the load button. Now locate your key pair, select all files in order to get a key pair. Choose your key pair from the list and then click the open button. Let us click OK. Now let us save our private key by clicking the Save Private Key button. When prompted about proceeding without a passphrase, select Yes. Next, give your private key a name and then click Save. Go ahead and close the Putty generator. Now that we have a private key, let us go ahead and open the Putty SSH client. Go to your instance, double click your public IPv4 DNS to highlight, and then copy using Ctrl+C. Now return back to the Putty app and paste your IPv4 DNS. Now, from the category menu, click on the plus icon next to SSH. Next, click on the AUTH, short for authentication. And then click on the browse button to locate and open the private key you saved earlier. Now you can go back to session and then click on open, or click on open directly to launch your SSH terminal. Next, click the Yes button from the security alerts and then enter your username to log in. Your username by default is Bitnami. So log in. And that is it. We have successfully accessed our web server via SSH. What this means is going forward, we can log in via our SSH and make further configurations on our website. In my next video tutorial, I will be talking about how to remove the Bitnami corner banner you see when you open your website in the browser. Please remember to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. See ya!